Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to sync your symbols across multiple tabs and timeframes in TradingView. But here's the catch, you can only do this on the TradingView desktop app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly link your charts so that switching symbols is effortless, saving you a ton of time when analyzing the markets. Whether you're tracking stocks, crypto, or forex, this simple trick will make your workflow much smoother and keep everything organized. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you've got the TradingView desktop application open. This syncing feature won't work in the browser version, so be sure you're using the right platform. Now, imagine you have three separate tabs, each open with a different symbol. Maybe you're comparing Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia, or maybe you're looking at the same symbol on different timeframes. Either way, you want the ability to change the symbol in one place and have all your tabs instantly update together. Super handy right here, how we set that up. Start by looking at your chart tabs at the top of the TradingView window. Take your time here, it's important not to rush this first step. You're going to right-click on each tab one at a time. Don't worry if you're not sure which tab to start with, you can do them in any order. When you right-click, you'll see some new options appear. Look for the symbol sync color options. These will usually show up as little colored dots or a menu labeled something like sync by symbol color. For this example, let's pick yellow. It doesn't actually matter which color you choose, the important thing is that each tab you want linked gets assigned the same color. So go through each tab, right-click, and select yellow as the syncing color. Think of it like putting a matching sticker on each folder you want to group together. This is how TradingView knows which charts should sync up. When you've set all your desired tabs to the same color, you're ready for the magic. Head over to your watch list, that's the panel where you keep all your favorite symbols. Just click on any symbol you like from your list. Take a moment to watch what happens next. Every one of your yellow sync tabs will instantly update to show that same symbol, no matter what they were showing before. It really is that simple. Whether you're rapidly cycling through different stocks to compare their technical setups or you want to keep your favorite timeframes perfectly in sync, this feature saves you the hassle of clicking through each chart individually. It's worth noting, sometimes there might be a slight delay the first time you use this feature, depending on your computer's speed. Don't worry if you notice a tiny hesitation. After a moment, everything will snap into place. And if you ever want to break the sync, just change the color or remove the color linking on any tab, and it'll go back to independent control. So that's how you sync symbols across tabs and multiple timeframes in TradingView Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button. If you have any questions or ran into issues, let me know in the comments below. I always try to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more TradingView tips, charting tricks, and market analysis tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.